Welcome to this video on the Apple iPhone 17 Pro. We will be looking at some of the exciting new features, including the powerful A19 Pro chip. The iPhone 17 Pro boasts a unibody design crafted from heat-forged aluminum. This enclosure contributes to making it the most powerful iPhone ever created. Experience superior protection with the durable ceramic shield on both the front and back. The ceramic shield on the back is 4 times more crack-resistant, and the new Ceramic Shield 2 on the front offers 3 times better scratch resistance. The Ultimate Pro camera system features all 48 megapixels rear cameras and an 8x optical quality zoom, the longest zoom ever on an iPhone. This is the equivalent of having 8 Pro lenses in your pocket. The 18 megapixel center stage front camera offers flexible framing options. Enjoy smarter group selfies and dual capture video, allowing for simultaneous front and rear recording and much more. The A19 Pro chip is vapor-cooled for lightning-fast performance. It is the most powerful iPhone chip yet, providing up to 40% better sustained performance. iOS features a fresh design with liquid glass. It's beautiful, delightful, and instantly familiar, offering a more vibrant lock screen, customizable backgrounds, polls and messages, call screening, and other enhancements. For more details on the iPhone 17 Pro's specifications, including its cosmic orange color, dual SIM support, and 1 terabyte maximum storage capacity, please consult the table here. Thank you for watching the video about the new Apple iPhone 17 Pro.